What's the meaning of countrymade? Countrymade. Countrymade.
Country-made. Country-made. Country-made is a term used to describe items that are produced domestically using local materials and traditional techniques. These items are often handmade and reflect the culture and heritage of the region they come from. They may be rustic or rugged in appearance, but are valued for their authenticity and uniqueness. Country-made products range from textiles and pottery to furniture and food products. The term is often associated with a return to simpler, more sustainable practices and a celebration of local communities and their traditions.